You did it!
I did it!
Bien bonjour tout le monde, c'est Armand et aujourd'hui nous allons tenter de résoudre un truc que je n'ai jamais réussi à faire, ce sont les Rubik's. I'm gonna snap my finger like this and then a card comes to the top, the 5 of spades. Is it your card? No? Kind of awkward. Okay, can I see your hand? Maybe I need your DNA. I'm gonna take the 5 of spades and just do slowly like this for having the good one. So is it this one? I guess yes. Marta, do you know how to do Rubik's Cube?
Yeah.
You know how to solve it? Really?
Maybe, but it takes me a long time
Really?
to solve this.
Elle sait comment résoudre un Rubik's Cube mais elle dit que ça prend du temps. Donc nous on va essayer de faire en sorte que ça lui prendra moins de temps. Okay, we're gonna try something. Can I see your hands? How long it take for you usually to solve the cube? Like 10, 20, 15 minutes? 2 hours? 2 heures pour faire un cube. Okay, we're gonna try something. So I'm gonna just see your hand. I want you to just solve the cube. So you're gonna put your hand on the top like this. Et le cube est déjà résolu de sa main, mais ça elle ne le sait pas encore. Et ça c'est très drôle parce que du coup, quand elle va voir le cube résolu, ça va être très amusant. Ok, I want you to think about the cube just solved. Okay, just think about it.
Okay.
Is it solved for you right now?
Okay.
I think you did it. Oh my gosh! So this is your personal record. You told me you took 2 hours to do it, and now you just take a few seconds. It's perfect.
Wow. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Can I see your hands? Okay, we're gonna try something. So your name is Lee, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try to solve the cube. Can you please just close your hand like this? Vous savez évidemment que le cube est déjà résolu, vous l'avez vu, et ça c'est très drôle. On va voir quelque chose d'assez amusant, je pense. I want you to think about the cube solved, okay? I just want to think about it. Just think in your hand. Okay, is that good for you, you think? Yeah. Okay, can you open your hand? You did it!
I did it! Wow.
You did it! Congratulations!
First time!
First
I started, yeah!
Et bah voilà, comme ça elle croit que c'est elle qui a résolu le cube. Et là elle est contente, hein, bah évidemment. On est content, bah oui on est content.
Thank you!
Thanks to you, you did my cube! So that is nice. Elle a résolu mon cube, ça fait plaisir ça.